To set your phone to notify you when there's smoke and fire alarm in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable notification for smoke and fire alarms. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing announcement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap the gray on off switch next to smoke and fire alarms to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when sound notification feature is on and it detects smoke or fire alarm. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.